Hello friends, today we are going to study action words in Hindi and English. Read, R-E-A-D, read means padhna. She is reading a book. Dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance means nachna. I am dancing. Run, R-U-N, run means dodna. I am running. Jump, J-U-M-P, jump means kudna. I am jumping. Talk, T-A-L-K, talk means baat karna. They are talking. Walk, W-A-L-K, walk means chalna ya टहलना. She is walking. Eat, E-A-T, eat means khana. He is eating food. Drink, D-R-I-N-K, drink means peena. She is drinking milk. Play, P-L-A-Y, play means khelna. They are playing. Sing, S-I-N-G, sing means gana. She is singing a song. Wash, W-A-S-H, wash means dhona. He is washing face. Sleep, S-L-E-E-P, sleep means sona. He is sleeping. Cry, C-R-Y, cry means rona ya chillana. She is crying. Smile, S-M-I-L-E, smile means muskurana. Baby is smiling. Bath, B-A-T-H, bath means nahana. He is taking bath. Sit, S-I-T, sit means baithna. I am sitting. Fly, F-L-Y, fly means udna. Birds are flying. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel.